folks. I was on, I wanted to fix a little grabby thing I have for grabbing, those little things you grab stuff on shelves with, long-handled stick with a trigger. There's a little thing that closes. Well, anyway, I needed a piece of plastic and went on eBay and I bought this. It's not really exciting to show you. All it is a 4-foot long rod of, I think it's, what was it called? Polymer acetate. That's all it is. How exciting. It was like $6 to buy a little piece, or no, I think it was like $3 to buy like, I don't know, 4 or 6 inches, or it was like $6 to buy the whole 4-footer. So I was like, you know what, maybe I could like whip some of it after, but I only need about an inch of it. So knowing me, I was like, yeah, I'll save money, I'll buy the whole freaking thing. So yeah, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Let me just get up here and I'll show you. I can still talk to you while I'm moving over here. I am going to attempt, I think this is 1/2 inch, yeah. See this piece right here? There's a spring inside. There's this, I'm not this part yet. I'm basically going to make this and cut a notch in it. I want to make it on my lathe. I'm thinking cut off a piece that big. I cut off a piece this big, and basically I can spin out the inside, not the little thing, just I'll drill a hole through it, and then I will drill a hole through here and then figure out the rest later. But that's my medieval plan, because basically I'm going to try that. This thing's busted, and I'm not really sure, I'm not really sure if I can make another one of these, but this whole thing is like wrecked, so I'm going to make a new one. That's my plan with this. If not, I'm going to try. I really should have got a 1/2 inch thing of aluminum and just made the goddamn thing out of aluminum, because that lasts longer. Then I have to make these little things out of aluminum, and I don't know if I can make that out of aluminum, but I'll try. Anyway, hope you like this video. It's pretty boring. Have a good one. Don't forget to subscribe.